how to make the questions. It is also a very easy thing. Say for example, if I say, if I say, uh, I I will hold the meeting. Okay, how do you make the question? What do? You just make this one inversion. Okay, I mean, bring this will here before I. Will I? How would you make the question? Will I hold the meeting? Okay, will she beautify herself? Okay, will use will all the time here to make the question. It's very easy. Okay, in simple present tense you may have difficulties using do and does, but here no, all the way down you use will here, no s. Okay, you find, okay, this is all about interrogative sentences, means asking questions. So just use this one, will. Okay, will you find, will you find, will you find problems? Okay, will they, will they, will they come? Okay, will they come? Okay, will he learn, will he learn, will he learn English? Will he learn computers? Okay, okay, no, will she, will she, will she cook? Okay, all this one you can make the questions in this way. The very important thing, I'm going to show now, that is the use of be. Be is also the main verb, and it has different shapes. Be actually is equal to am, is, and are. I don't think, okay, be means am is are. But in future tense, how would you use it? Say for example, if I say I will is the indicator of future tense. We have to use at any cost will to show the future action. But आप बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि फ्यूचर में आप एक डॉक्टर बनेंगे. ओके, तो डॉक्टर, अ डॉक्टर. ओके, अ डॉक्टर. नाउ आई विल अ डॉक्टर कैन बी पॉसिबल. यहाँ पर आई विल डॉक्टर नहीं बोलेंगे क्योंकि ये डॉक्टर नाउन है. विल के बाद में चूंकि हेल्पिंग वर्ब मीन्स वर्ब होना चाहिए तभी उसका हेल्प मिलेगा. आप नाउन की हेल्प नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, आपको एक वर्ब चाहिए. आई विल के साथ क्या आ सकता है? बी लगाइए आप. आई विल एम ए डॉक्टर विल बी रॉन्ग, क्योंकि एम हम नहीं यूज करते विल के साथ. टू हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल इन अ सेंटेंस एट अ टाइम. यू हैव टू यूज डिफरेंट words here. Anyway, I will be a doctor. Will be a doctor. You can use I will become a, become also same as be. Okay, so you can use here some words like she will, she'll be triumphant. Okay, she'll be triumphant. Triumphant means successful. Successful, कामयाब, वो कामयाब हो जाएगी. Okay, if she works hard, okay, she'll be triumphant. Don't give stress on will. Okay, be you can give the stress. Okay, so she'll be triumphant. You can use here they will be. Okay, they will be they will be. Here you can use V3 form and V4 form, but V1 form cannot be used here. Okay, so they will be successful. You can use they will be successful. Okay, they will be successful. Okay, you can use here it will be, it will be, it will be hard. See, this is an adverb. It will be hard. Okay, it will be hard. Hard you can use. Okay, and will be in great danger. See, this is preposition, great danger. Okay, if you don't follow the guidelines, what will happen? You will find yourself in great danger. Okay, what else we have left here? Okay, you'll be, okay, you'll find, you will be, I think you, okay, you will be any you will be lucky. Okay, you will be lucky. Okay, you will be lucky if you do this one. Okay, what else? What's left here? Okay, we finish. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the structure of with B forms. B forms. Okay, he also you can use he. He will be. He will be present in the meeting. Okay, he will be. He will be a teacher. Okay, he will be a teacher. Okay, he will be a teacher. So he is not teacher. He will be a teacher. So be is the main verb. है बोलना है, हो बोलना है आपको, तो आप be यूज करिए. will के साथ यूज करेंगे तो वो होगा. वो होगा. I'll be a doctor. She'll be triumphant. Okay, they'll be successful. Okay, it will be hard. Okay, we'll be in great danger if you don't follow the rules. Okay, and you will be lucky, and he will be lucky. So this is all about simple future tense. Please go home and practice the sentences, as many sentences as you can. Okay, because practicing is important. Okay, if you practice, you will get success. You will get success. See, you'll get success if you practice. If you don't practice, so the whole thing, will be wasted. See here, will be wasted. Will be wasted. Okay. Thank you very much.